Previously in iMovie, it was easy to export an image from a video by clicking the share button and then clicking image, and then you already extracted an image from the video file and you could save it to your hard drive. However, if you switch to Final Cut Pro and want to do the same thing, on the upper right corner under share button you won't find an image icon such as in iMovie. The reason is because in the default settings, the export function for image from a video file is not yet set. So you have to add that shortcut to that function first by clicking on the share button and select add destination and click on the save current frame and drag it to the destinations window. Then you can choose the type of file you want to save it in. Then you can close the window. The next time you want to export the image from a video file, just click the share button in the upper right corner and click save current frame. Click next and then save the file to the location that you want to save it to.